In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my nails with Mylee Beauty. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to buff all the shyness off my nails so that the gel sits properly. And I'm going to take the Mylee nail prep to wipe off the residue. Once that's done, I'm going to take my gel base and just go over my nails so the gel paint sits properly. And after that, I'm going to cure that under the light for 30 seconds. Once that's done, I am going to take my gel color in Beyond Perfect. Just give it a little shake, and I'm going to go over there for one coat on my nails. And then I'm going to just take off all the messy bits and cure that under the light for 30 seconds. I'm going to go over it one other coat. Cure it for another 30 seconds. Once that's done, I'm going to take my gel top coat and go over my nails. This is going to increase the shine and it lasts for ages. And what I'm doing now is just sealing the cap so it doesn't chip, and I'm going to cure it under the light for another 1 minute. And once that's done, I will take Mylee nail prep just to wipe off the extra residue. And now I'm going to take the Mylee hand cream and just moisturize my hand. And then I'm going to take the Mylee nail treatment just to put it over my cuticles and massage that in, and I am good to go.